Yeah, what's up, guys? This is HumbleFx, and today we are talking about gold. This is gold, and I want to trade gold today. All right, now look at why we take our entry at this particular point. So, watch the video to the end so that you get to see why we take this trade and where we expect it to get to. You will see my projection right about here. Okay, now I have first of all I had to identify my point of interest. This is my point of interest. That is actually a good supply, a good supply zone, right? So that is actually a good supply zone, right there. And my stop loss should be at the red line, okay, because that is a break of the supply. But my stop loss should actually increase a little bit above this particular high here, right? So now looking at the higher time frame, if we go on the M15, if we go on the M15, right, looking at what we are seeing right about here, the market looks as if it is going an uptrend. But guess what? Let's go down a bit. Let's go onto the 4 time frame and then go to the left screen, go to the left side of the chart. I want to show you something right there. So this is what you need to understand what the market does for you to actually know what to do in the market. Now look at this. This is where we take our entry. So what do we see right here? What are we seeing right here? This is what I'm looking at, right? So the market will not just come and take out those levels just like that. There is a zone here. Look at that. There is actually a strong zone at that particular point that I'm actually looking at. So my stop loss should be above the particular zone. This is what's happened in the past, right? This is what's happened in the past. So this is my stop loss right about now, right? So you should know your account size and know how much you can hold for you to take such trade. Now let us see what happens after some time, right? So let's wait a little bit and see what happened. We are in a trade right now. We are in a trade. We actually in a trade and we are in a $42 loss. We are in a very big loss right now. So guys, let's watch out. Yeah, now here we are right now. This is what we got $300 already. Just like that, guys. That is how we do it here. We're expecting more sales. The first TP has been taken. The first TP has been taken. So the next TP here is going downside. So this is what we are expecting. The price will cool down a little more bit to that particular point in time. That is how simple. That is how simple this trading is, guys. How simple it is, guys. So as usual, to avoid, because this team we want to retest a little bit, we want to retest a little more bit. So I'm going to go out of the market. Don't be too greedy. Don't be too greedy. The market need to actually retest this particular zone before they need to retest this. Need to retest this zone. So we now see in that shoot the downside. So we need to let's close our trade right here. Let's exit. This is not a small profit. Okay. This is power by Xness. If you want to get your account registered, check on the video description. You'll see the link to the broker that we are using, and that is that just this morning. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Until then, I remain HumbleFx.